Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing grave felonies, less grave felonies, and light felonies. What are the 3 degrees or gravity of commission of felonies? They are as follows. First, grave felonies. Second, less grave felonies. Third, light felonies. So let us discuss each of the degree or gravity of commission of felonies. First, grave felonies. Grave felonies are those to which the law attaches the capital punishment or penalties which in any of their periods are afflictive. Kung ang penalty po ng crime na ginawa is capital punishment or yung tinatawag nating afflictive penalties, then the crime is considered grave felony. Ano nga ba ang capital punishment? Ang capital punishment is death. Sa ngayon po sa Pilipinas, wala na po tayong death penalty, pero death penalty po ang considered capital punishment. Ano naman ang afflictive penalties? Ang afflictive penalties are as follows. First, reclusion perpetua. Second, reclusion temporal. Third, perpetual or temporary absolute disqualification. Fourth, perpetual or temporary special disqualification. Fifth, prison mayor. And sixth, fine exceeding 1,200,000 pesos. I will discuss in detail po in a separate videos po yung mga penalties na nabanggit natin. Example ng grave felony. Ang crime na murder is considered grave felony. Bakit? Under Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code, ang parusa ng murder ay reclusion temporal in its maximum period to death. Kaya considered itong grave felony. Now let us go to less grave felonies. Less grave felonies are those which the law punishes with penalties which in their maximum period are correctional. Kung ang penalty po ng crime na ginawa ay ang maximum niya ay correctional penalty, then the crime is considered less grave felony. Ano nga ba yung mga correctional penalties? The following are correctional penalties. First, prison correctional. Second, arresto mayor. Third, suspension. Fourth, dischero. And fifth, fine of not less than 40,000 but not exceeding 1,200,000 pesos. I will discuss in detail po in a separate videos po yung mga penalties na nabanggit natin. Example ng less grave felonies ay less serious physical injuries, unlawful arrest, etc. Sino-sino ang liable sa grave and less grave felonies? Ang liable sa grave and less grave felonies ay principal, accomplice, and accessory. Kailan naman pinapunish ang grave and less grave felonies? Grave and less grave felonies are punishable regardless of the stage of execution, whether consummated, frustrated, or attempted. We will discuss the 3 stages of execution and principal, accomplice, and accessory in detail on a separate video. Now let us go to light felonies. Light felonies. Light felonies are those infractions of law for the commission of which the penalty of arresto menor or a fine not exceeding 40,000 pesos or both is provided. So kung ang imposable penalty na ginawa ng offender is arresto menor or a fine na hindi lumalagpas ng 40,000 pesos, then considered itong light felonies. Example ng light felonies are slight physical injuries, alarms and scandals, etc. Kailan naman pinaparusahan ang light felonies? Light felonies are punishable only when they have been consummated. Remember, may 3 stages of execution: consummated, frustrated, at attempted. Sabi natin kanina, ang grave and less grave felonies, pinaparusahan ito regardless of the stage of execution. Consummated man yan, frustrated, or attempted. However, sa light felonies, pinaparusahan lang ito kung consummated. Kung attempted or frustrated lang po, hindi na po siya pinaparusahan. Ano naman ang exception dito sa rule na ito? na kahit hindi siya consummated yung light felony, punishable pa rin yung light felony. Light felonies are punishable even if the felony is not consummated in those crimes committed against person or property. Thus, those felonies against person or property are punishable even if attempted or frustrated. Example dito ay yung nabanggit natin kanina na slight physical injuries. Ang slight physical injuries is a crime against person. Assuming may attempted or frustrated ito, kahit attempted or frustrated lang ito, pinaparusahan pa rin. However, doon sa alarms and scandal, dapat ito ay consummated para maparusahan. Ang alarms and scandal ay hindi crime against person. Ito ay crime against public order. Kaya dapat consummated muna ito before yung act ay maparusahan. Kung attempted lang or frustrated lang, hindi pa siya liable sa alarms and scandal. So, sino naman ang pwedeng maging liable sa light felonies? For light felonies, the ones who can be held liable are the principals and accomplices. Sa grave and less grave felonies, sabi natin kanina, liable ang principal, accomplice, at accessory. Pero sa light felonies, principal at accomplice lang. Ang accessories po ay hindi liable sa light felonies. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.